In an era of economic upheaval, Zimbabwe's fiscal landscape is undergoing a seismic shift. The US dollar, once a stalwart of the nation's transactions, is being gradually sidelined in favor of the newly introduced Zimbabwe gold, or ZiG. The man at the helm of this monumental change is none other than Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe Governor John Nyowani. In a candid conversation at a recent Zimbabwe National Chamber of Commerce breakfast meeting, Nyowani unveiled a strategic roadmap for de-dollarization, aiming to boost the value of ZiG transactions in the economy from a mere 20% to an ambitious 50% by 2026. This roadmap represents a bold vision for Zimbabwe's economic future. Nyowani emphasized that the de-dollarization process will be gradual, with margins reduced on a year-to-year basis. He envisions an incremental shift from the current 80% USD dominance to a 50-50 split with ZiG by 2026. The end goal? A financial infrastructure so robust, monitoring the transition will become unnecessary. But what of the parallel market and the rumors of ZiG's depreciation? The governor was quick to dismiss these as mere quotations. He stressed that the central bank systems do not allow for such depreciation and pointed to the Financial Intelligence Unit's inability to substantiate these claims as proof. In the face of skepticism, Nyowani remained resolute. He confidently predicted the natural death of the parallel market during de-dollarization, asserting the stability of ZiG backed by gold and other precious minerals. The rising price of gold, he explained, has naturally strengthened ZiG, rather than any interference from the central bank. As for the use of ZiG to purchase fuel, the central bank is currently engaged in negotiations with industry players. The outcome of these talks, Nyowani assured, will soon be made public. In summary, Zimbabwe's economic landscape is on the cusp of a significant transformation. The roadmap for de-dollarization, as laid out by RBZ Governor John Nyowani, is a strategic move to bolster the nation's financial stability. As the country charts its course towards 2026, the world watches with bated breath to see the outcome of this audacious economic experiment.